Our next part of section 2.1 is going to be writing the standard form if we're not given the general form. And the standard form again is f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. And we're going to start off with, we're given the vertex and we're given a point that we're passing through. So the vertex is hk, and we're passing through the point 4, 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the fact that if we plug the 4 into whatever our function is, we get a y value of 1 out of it. So here we go. F of x equals some a value times x minus 3. Remember, change the sign of the x, quantity squared, plus, well, actually, it's going to be minus 2. So let me fix that very quickly. A times the quantity x minus 3 squared minus 2. So that's where we're starting off with just the vertex. Now f of 4 is equal to a, the function. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a 4 in for the x, because that's what x equals. A times the quantity 4 minus 3 squared minus 2, which is 1, because the y value equals 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1 squared minus 2. So we have a minus 2 equals 1, and a equals 3. And now we have what we need. So our standard form, we're going to put that 3 in for a. F of x equals 3 times x minus 3 quantity squared minus 2. It's a parabola that opens up and has a y-intercept at 0, negative 2. So on 9, we're given a graph now. And we're to find the standard form. So first thing I'm going to do is find the vertex. And on this graph, it's at negative 2 on the x and 3 on the y. And I'm going to find a point that it passes through. Sorry about that. I hit the wrong button on my computer while I was recording this. Let me see if I can find a point that it passes through right there. I like that point. That's the y-intercept. So it passes through this point, which is 0, negative 1. Okay, so now I'm going to take this information and I'm going to write my equation now. So f of x equals a, standard form once again. Now, general form is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and it said put it in standard form. I'm going to do both, actually. Standard form is the vertex form, and then I'm going to write it in general form, the ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to start this problem with writing it in vertex form, the standard form of the quadratic. And we have f of x equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. We found our vertex. Remember to change the sign of the x. So it's a times x plus 2 quantity squared. Leave the sign of the y alone, so plus 3. So f of x works to this, and then we have the point 0, negative 1. So f of 0, plug a 0 in for x, equals a negative 1. And so we have a times 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3 equals negative 1. And 4a plus 3 equals negative 1. Subtract 3 from both sides, divide by 4, and a equals a negative 1. So now the standard form of this is going to be f of x equals a negative 1 times the quantity x plus 2 squared plus 3. And once again, that's the standard form, and we're going to write the general form, the ax squared plus bx plus c, just to get a little extra practice in. So f of x, to go to the general form, we're going to square the x plus 2. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. And then that quantity is plus 3. Get your like terms together. Plus 4x plus 4, quantity plus 3. Carry that negative through the parentheses. So everything changes signs in that parentheses. and then combine like terms one more time. And we get the general form as negative x squared minus 4x minus 1. So we have both the standard form f of x equals the negative x plus 2 squared plus 3, and the general form f of x equals negative x squared minus 4x minus 1 for this problem.